Sunday. We were going to do donuts, but we decided that that wasn't going to happen. I'm busy building something in the garage, so I just whipped up this cake. It's called a zebra cake, as you can see. It's not a marble. It's actually considered a zebra cake. It's a chocolate and vanilla with a cream cheese chocolate icing. Pretty cool, huh? Well, that's the cake. I'll show you the cabinet here in a little while. I'll be back. Okay, so yeah, we go from cake to messy garage. Let's see. Oh yeah. I was going to show you what I was doing. So coming out here, that's the back side. This is cabinet 1. And, I don't have enough room. Yeah, that'll be 2 drawers, and then down there will be a bulk storage that I was talking about. And I had to build this little I-beam guy here so that it could support the weight, because these are going to be really deep drawers for pots and things. And then this one over here, again, this is the back side. And over here, we're just getting in. We have another one of these to put in here. I'm using a, what did the heck did I call that thing anyway? Yes, Clegg. Oh, what it says, Dad? Clegg. Yeah, anyway. It's a connector system, so I'll glue them and stuff like that, as you can see. This one over here, it's my test pan. I've cut in here grooves. These will be a 1/4-inch Luan. There'll be another plate across here. Of course, the underside will be cut with the Luan. And then there'll be 2 drawers. So that'll be for all my pans and cooling things. And then over here, this side here, this will be drawers. I have a drawing that I use. This is the design, the 3 bulk storage units that I have right now in the back room. That is flour, all-purpose flour, wheat flour, and then bread flour. And then my pots are these guys here. And this would be white sugar and brown sugar. Believe it or not, I'm a diabetic. I still bake with sugar. They'll go in here, and then we have the bank of drawers here, drawers here, drawers here, and then the 2 in that cabinet you saw. This above it is all shelves for all of my other ingredients. So, yes, I do multiple drawings until I have exactly what I want. But yeah, so as you can see, the place is a mess. Building, and more building. But anyway, there's the panel. It's calling my name. I gotta go. We'll see you later. Have a good day. Well, yeah, it's raining now. Yeah, well. I'm done for the day. I started my first drawer over there. Here's the carcass, as they call it. Ready to go to the next level. 8 feet long. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Anyway, that's it for the day. Tomorrow, got to go to work. See you later.